just opened. What? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a good video, and today's video is going to be me opening up the latest MacBook Air M1. You know, I have never used a MacBook computer before, except when I was in college. Usually I buy like PC computers, gaming computers. I'm going to try the MacBook Air today, and I'll be opening one for you guys. So the one that I got is the MacBook Air. It has like 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 8-core RAM, and 512 gigabyte storage. So let's get started. I'm actually pretty excited though. Hey yo, this looks dope. This is like super slim. If you compare it to my gaming computer, it's like really slim. Put it in the bed for a moment. Yeah, so the product comes with USB-C cable, like booklets designed by Apple in California. Then it also comes with a charger. Alright, let's see this charger. I want to see how many watt it is. Okay, it's pretty good. It's like 30-watt charger. It's for a computer. It's pretty decent. 30 watt is like usually for computers. I leave it here. Got my USB-C cable, and obviously the box. So we're gonna try to open this now. So I'm gonna be opening this. First things first, we get off the plastic. I just want to flip this whole shit off. Like for me, just flip it off. Alright. This is so tiny compared to my gaming computer, which is like the one I have right now. It's like 16-inch. Wait, what? It just opened. What? Wait, whoa. Wait, you see this? Like as soon as I open the computer, it just opened by itself. As soon as I flip it open. It's mad weird. We have to like set it up real quick. Language.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yo, what the fuck? Alright, so we're just gonna yeah, we're gonna do English, obviously. English. It's pretty much updating, so I'm not sure you guys can see this. I'm just gonna do this. Country, United States, obviously. So this is the MacBook Air. My first time using a MacBook. As you guys may know, there's a whole bunch of stuff I had to learn about using it. Some of it involves like how to set up my computer, how to download apps, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So these are all the apps that I have. Some of it comes with the computer. I don't want this dragging, but it is what it is. It is what it is, boy.